Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tessa, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. In today's video, I'm just sharing my journey back to Zim by bus. Please like, share, comment, and do subscribe if you haven't. It's free, and I would love for you to be part of this family. So the beitbridge border post is now built up nicely, guys. I wish I had taken better pictures, but I was scared. We passed through some of the small towns, some of them villages like Ngundu, Mashingo, Chivu, and then some of the roads are under construction, building new roads, which is nice. You'll see some of the footage in this video. I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm just gonna let you enjoy the scenery.
Brian Little.
There are a lot of new houses being built in Zimbabwe, and some areas are slowly becoming populated, even though there's still land that has not been touched, as you can see. But yeah, people are building their houses all over Zimbabwe. This is Harare CBD downtown, where there's a lot of people moving back and forth, a lot of vendors, a lot of public transportation, people hustling to get their dollars and feed their families. So this journey was very bittersweet for me, because even though I loved being home and seeing all my cousins and my family, we lost our grandmother, and she was someone that was very dear to me. She raised me, and she is also the person that I was named after. Let me know in the comment section how you deal with grief, especially if it's someone who you really loved. You'll notice that in Zimbabwe, when people are building their homes, they usually put a privacy screen, and we call them draw walls. These are for protection and also privacy. Even though Zimbabwe is quite safe to live in, people usually just build their houses and surround them by putting up the draw walls. I grew up in this kind of setup, and it actually makes me feel safer as compared to a house where there is no draw wall and no gate. I actually think that I would struggle living in such a setup. Let me know in the comment section down below if you are a Zimbabwean who moved to a country like the UK or Canada, where in most cases there are no draw walls. How did you adjust to living in such a setup? That's it for me for this week. Have a lovely week, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the comment section below.